What is up, responsible day traders? I woke up like this. Today is Tuesday, September 8th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. Today dang near gave me an anxiety attack. I could not get my brain off the shorts, which is currently dropping like a rock. Got my trades, I'm done. It was about an hour and 20 minutes, maybe a little less, about an hour and 15. Man, it was like the anxiety train just came by and picked me up. Woo! It was stressful. There was a lot pushing this market back to the upside. I guess maybe from seeing a lot of shorts that had happened and not being involved in it, I could not get my brain off the shorts because there are pullbacks, y'all. Pullbacks happen all day, every day. They are valid trades. The reason the market moves in that direction is someone's trading in that direction. So we can trade with them. We just have to be sure that we are prepared to exit when it does not continue in our direction. Protect your profits. Move your stop down. Don't leave it at your big stop loss. Move it to a break even when your first target's hit or when you see reasons for this to turn around. I am heading on vacation. I'm heading on my workcation, or as we like to call it, a business trip, because I don't know if you know much about me, but I injure myself pretty easily on vacations. I don't get it, but it happens. Last one was a broken foot. Before that was a broken tailbone. This is a business trip. I'm just going to keep that in my mind. I'll be thinking about trading while I'm there, so I'm not thinking about what injury is going to be sustained next. I know a lot of you have asked about some reviews on YouProfit Trader. Well, you'll have one tomorrow. You can see a little bit what it's like for someone who's come in, gone through the testing, and is now one of our live traders. So I wanted to bring that to you so you could see what the experience is like. Speaking of experience, let's go see what it's like for me to have some sweaty palms. It was a heart racing day for me. All right, guys, enjoy the video. Hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll catch y'all around next week. What is up? Good morning, responsible day traders. Let's go ahead and check out this daily chart. I already took a little peeksy-poo at this morning. This is a tough decision here because look at this. This is definitely saying more down, that we're not going to be just stopping at this little spot right here because we got a lot of strength. Now, this BB has definitely crossed that bottom Bollinger Band. If the day takes a turn and it hangs out here, this BB could just as easily pull back inside, especially as we're reaching these EMAs and have the potential for it to. I'm kind of expecting a little something like this. So I guess we shall see. We do have divergence between these pivots finally, because this is definitely a pivot to the downside. We've actually made the turn, came back down, and we are still above the zero line. So the overall is still up. The immediate is down. Gave another little pullback right in here. It's moving a little fast for me, and the market's been open all of like 30 seconds. So I may be stepping downstairs to heat up my coffee in just a moment. You can see we're getting down to that low that happened prior, a couple of days before, right in here. Nice big M pivot. Even a nice little head and shoulders on the MACDs to push it down. Now as we're getting in this area, you see these MACDs are not pushing. Oh, come here, work with me. Are not pushing through. Still have divergence, pulled back up. Here's your move down. It's kind of hard to believe this is going to push down the way these are behaving right here. But this is the look for it. Pulling back, rolling into the area, pushing down. It's just moving way too fast for me to be able to grab any of this. So I'm either going to have to wait for it to slow down or get my mindset a little more quick on the draw. When it pulled down and gave this tiny little bar right here rolling off this Bollinger Band, I mean, I see all kinds of movements. I've seen the shorts back here and back here. The longs happening in here, but these bars are ridiculous. Woo! Took me out before I could even. The way these are pushing down. Whew. Break even on that one real quick. Pull this down just a little bit. Pull it down a little bit more. We're going to do a +2 there. There we go. It's making my hands sweaty. It's moving so fast. Come up and make a divergence. Is my mind stuck in the short mode? Because it showed a big move overnight, right? Getting there. Oh, there we go. Whew, my wrist is not where I would like it to be. Okay. Let's see if this is going to come down. I'm doing a plus a couple of ticks if it does pull back. Okay. Whew, my palms were sweaty for that one, y'all. It gave a nice little double bar here with the slowdown in the MACDs. This may give a deeper pullback. I actually think this is going to keep pushing up for the moment. The way that this has made this little V pivot and moving up here. These are just moving so flippin' fast that it's really hard to participate responsibly. Whew. Oh man, touched it, didn't go through it. When it goes through, y'all, it's going through with the thunder. I'm just moving this down little by little. It could come back very easily and take me at this point. There we go. Holy moly. Y'all, I think that's all I'm gonna do today. So, good Lord, that was tough. Let's check out what today has for us. Let me pull up. $12.75, 4 trades. We stop in there. Wow. Oh man, that was stressful. That was stressful. Whew. The moves were so fast and so crazy. And it was really, really hard to get into those trades. It made my tummy hurt. So we're going to wrap that up. I probably will not be here. I'm running a class with one of my students tomorrow. who is doing amazing. So I wanted to just kind of walk through her trades with the other students and her mindset so they can see that, you know, there's different ways to think. Yeah, guys. I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of their day. If I don't catch you tomorrow, then I will definitely be back next week. Tomorrow, do look for a video from me, a review for You Profit Trader. Oh my Lord, it's dropping like it's hot. I don't care. I don't care. All right, we're going to wrap that up, guys. I hope everybody has a wonderful Wednesday. And as always, you know, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love y'all being here with me, so please like and subscribe so we can spend a little more time together.